right, I think I got one more. And then, we'll have to talk to management after that. And,
That's you.
that's,
Thank you.
no, that's working.
Yeah.
Y'all, it means so much that you all are here. Thank you again. Give yourselves a round of applause. Take it for granted. Thank you. Thank you, Kurt. Serena, thank you. And all the dogs.
Yeah.
Trash Panda. So-so.
He is so-so.
So-so. So-so good or so-so?
Oh, he's so-so.
This one's called Grandfather Clock. I'm a dancing child, last of a dying race. I'm a tree in a field, a place where you can land and rest your opinions and listen to the wind and hear the whisper. Ready, go. Take care of my chains while the bells are always ringing in my brains. I ain't no astrolabe, charting ancient seas while my lucky star's always out of reach. This is what I'm supposed to do right now. Oh, teacher, would you tell me how? Tell me now. Take about are you an inchworm or a million miles long? You gave a word, but I still can't write a song. So I will sing about defeat and I will dance without my feet, cut off my toes, and they can dance their lonely beat. This is what I'm supposed to do right now. Oh, teacher, would you tell me how? Tell me now. Oh, teacher, would you take about? That was perfectly in time. Condemned for wanting more, so short I'm tearing out my seams for sleepy dreams. Died long ago, so let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go. There's a gray sky dancing on the waves, and my hands are treading fire, but this boat will do just fine in the meantime, until the stars become my graves. Well, the weeds will call me home while I wait, while I wait, while I wait. Cause this is what I'm supposed to do right now. Oh, teacher, would you tell me how? Tell me now. Oh, teacher, this is what I'm supposed to do right now. about.